Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how to watch NFL on Paramount Plus. Now we can go ahead and watch NFL games that are currently live on the CBS channel. So this would mean that if you have a Paramount Plus account, you can just go ahead and go into Paramount Plus and you should be able to see some form of a live section right here. So it will be in any of these tabs right here. So you have these tabs like new to Paramount Plus, originals and exclusives, keep watching. There's going to be a section called live or NFL live. And through there, you can go ahead and watch the latest NFL game, which is currently being streamed on CBS. Now, don't forget that this depends on the time. So if you are in a different country, so say for example in United Kingdom, then you need to figure out what time it is when it is being broadcasted live on CBS. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.